Hello there. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's well. Today I've been down to the bramley-moore to give an update on the Everton new stadium build. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like, share the video. And also, if you can follow us on Instagram, the Instagram handle is on your screen now. So, 12th of October 2023. More roof is currently being fitted. Like the inside part of some of the roof there actually getting lifted into place when we got there first thing this morning. So that is there. They're actually fixing that into place because we were there. There was all sorts going on today, which we are going to show you. There's work literally going on all around the site, which we will get to as we move around. Work going on inside as well, which we'll have a little look at. Now, you're just about to see this big white plane coming into view in a second, which we're going to take a look at in a moment. This white crane. Sorry, just to let you know, I'm sure you can see there was tons of birds flying around this morning, so if it stops, I'm just making sure they're not flying into the drone. So this is interesting. So this container was hooked up to the crane. So obviously it's being moved somewhere. I'm not sure what's inside, to be honest. Is it that is it the roof rolls that are inside? The roof coverings, maybe. I think that's someone said that that's what that blue container was for. Anyway, it looks like that's getting moved. There's people working on the corner, which will be anywhere about the southeast corner. Yeah, southeast corner. Work on them brick walls, whatever you want to call them. So as you can see, there's little cherry pickers inside. They're all bolted. The obviously securing and bolting that piece of roofing, or whatever, the panel, whatever it is, into place. So we are going to start moving on around the site. We're jumping around. Why they've hooked it up? Obviously they're moving it somewhere. I don't know. Maybe it's in the way, or it's getting moved anyway somewhere. I think they're potentially taking it off site. I don't know. And you'd be sure to do it taking off somewhere, wouldn't it? Surely. Very interesting. Don't know why they've done. I was trying to hang around, see if they moved it, but they never moved it while we were there. Okay, we're going to move on towards the Mersey side of the site. We can call it a stadium now, because like it's on the way. So I'm sure you've heard, but I'm going to tell you anyway. So England and Ireland have been successful in their bid to host the Euro 2028 championships. We just follow this crane, and just wondering where it was going. And Bramley-Moore has been selected as one of the host stadiums. So international football will be played at this stadium in the not too distant future. And I think they're putting them panels up. And that's what they're up to there on them cherry pickers. Guessing the glass maybe perspex. But they look like they're going up. We're just going to have a little sneak peek inside. Inside the stadium. So there's a lot of people inside. I think the building's correct like roof by the looks of it. But the actual structure of the roof is not far of being complete now. Clear than that, and again, there's people working. There's all sorts going on today. So there's one in a heavy picker. There is. I don't think this one is just caught the lens there. There is a scissor lift happening. Yeah, there's a close for bits and pieces going on. Which is all good to see. Everyone's working away, aren't they? Doing good. I love the way the roof just curved, the way it's in that like a curved size of the roof. Anyway, must be done. So he's still hooked up that container and not really going anywhere. Third, we should have a little piece of the outside of the stand. Because let's see what's occurring. Don't think there was anything hooked up to that particular crane at the time. The time we were there. Three pictures this side as well. So let's see what's happening. Yeah, see, I was saying, Non's hooked up that time by the looks of it. Yeah, really. We're not sure what they're doing on that this left there. When you zoom in with this drone, it reduces the picture quality of the picture slightly, so there's not much you can do about that, unfortunately. There is cultural people. I don't know whether it's surveying work or it actually appears to be anything or whatnot. Oh yeah, that is how it's looking today. And we'll be back with another update towards the end of the week. So have a great week and take care.